What is up, dolls? I was ready to go and shoot the next video to Victoria's Secrets, and what happened, my dolls, is the weather. It's like pouring rain. I'm gonna show you dolls the weather outside off my lanai. My hair is it just needs a lot of work. I did look up one tutorial. I do have a backup plan over here. So this is like the little toupee wig right here. I'm gonna go ahead and just get down and dirty. So let's go ahead and get started. And moisturize the hair. The mannequin in the tutorial did not have someone with bangs. That's fine. Create a part, and the part is gonna go from the beginning of my ear. Yeah. Then I'm gonna go ahead and clip. I'm going to repeat and do that to the other side. See if I can see that. Yeah, I think that should work. Wow, my hair is really uneven. I hope I have the right amount of hair. Why does this one feel like there's more? I just have more hair on my right side of my head. Step 3 is, and I find that middle part again. Normally I do part my hair like to the right side or left side, I don't remember, but I don't want to get it complicated, so I want to make sure I keep it as simple as possible. I think I found the part as best as I can. Step 4, so you're going to work diagonally, and you're going to create like a little diagonal line here, and you're supposed to be cutting it. So if I didn't have bangs, then I would actually do my first cut. You know, though, the tutorial didn't really say how much I should be gathering in my head. I mean, in my each bunch, so I'm just going to play it by ear. Okay, there we go. I'm a little nervous. I'm ready to do this. 1, 2... Oh my god, why does this feel so wrong? Okay, well, that's a very short cut.
There's a lot of hair that came off.
Well, I have to commit now. Alright, next one. Oh, that's what happened. I think I cut this side. Okay, so that happened, and luckily I don't leave my house very often. And I'm gonna grab some of that hair, and then, like, I'm gonna just pull it over to the side. You know the problem is, though, I don't know where I did my last cut. So and I don't have much hair, so. Okay, you guys, you know what? This is a disaster. So I'm kind of nervous, like a lot nervous. Normally I'm not this nervous, but this time I'm actually really nervous. So I think I'm just gonna have to, like, gosh, she made it seem so easy. Okay, so just gonna keep on doing it and just hope for the best. Okay, so is that it? Am I done after that? Really? Snip, snip, done? Okay. Okay, wait, hold on. Hold on. No, where am I? I look like Bozo the Clown here, but worse. Anyway, I'm gonna have to, like, improv. Actually, the whole thing was an improv. In the tutorial, they had to leave one piece because they needed that to kind of, like, make sure it's straight so you know what you're working with. Obviously, I have to be careful because it's actually really short. So this is like the piece I have to work with at this point. There we go. And I'm going to move it all the way to the side. And I'm going to hydrate again. And and cut. And I'm going to cross it over. Elevate that. Wrong scissors. Okay, yeah. Then I'm gonna get the next piece, and actually, I think this is like the final piece. Why is straight or something? Just gonna, ow, my eye. Okay, and then the final cut. I'm just gathering the last pieces, and let's go ahead and see, like, what's up. Okay, so I'm like, oh, yeah, this looks very uneven. Okay, so I'm gonna have to straighten this bad boy out. Yeah.
You can go for the Ava Max look and just chop off one side.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go for the Ava Max look at this point and just chop off one side of it. You know, it's like, unfortunately, I would, but that's what wigs are for, because I don't have enough hair for it to even make sense. And be like, girl, what happened? Did you like run out of the store? Did you like not have enough money to pay your salon? So she had to like literally just give you half off. So basically, I'm just blending it all out right now. Like this thing just hanging out. Maybe is your arm sore?
Just whatever side you're cutting on is better to get the light on it so that your shot looks better.
Thanks, babe. Did you almost fart or what? What?
I'm grabbing my leg. Just work through it.
Okay, I'm sorry, baby. So all I'm doing now is just kind of like crossing them over again as I was. And I'm gonna have to blend it out a little bit. So like I do normally wear it to the side. So we're gonna part it that. And we're gonna do that. And then we're gonna pull the rest of the hair out. This is basically the front. So it's a lot more like frames my face, which complements my face instead of it all going like running away from my face. If I could also maybe continue to do it all the way, I'm pretty sure I'd be able to get the kind of like salon look that I'm looking for. I bet if I actually just do that. Oh my gosh, I'm tempted to do my whole head, babe.
Might as well.
Really?
Why not?
Because I just feel bad for you that you're having to carry this. So I think I'm just gonna like, yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and continue to keep on doing it until I feel like satisfied. The back, I assume that if I just pull my hair straight up, then when I drop it, it's gonna again frame my face, shoe.
There you go.
I think that works. I'm gonna just blend it in over here so that it doesn't have any blunt cuts and stuff like that showing. And I don't know, I think at the end I'm gonna have to also middle part it, and then I'm gonna have to make sure that it's also not crooked. Okay, for that. It's got a good hair trim. And then the last step is that to make sure the back is equal, because I obviously cut them right and left. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and grab a middle portion. I'm just going to have to like, not bad. And I still want to go from the middle though and take some hair. And since I'm doing this by myself, I need to go from the middle back, and I have to brush it all the way up. To see if it's straight, if it's, yeah, so you can see that there is obviously it's uneven, so. And when in doubt, I just, you know, blend it in like that. Cut some slits in it so that it doesn't, it just kind of like layers everything. So now, if done right, your hair should be up when I come forward. Let's just take a look. Okay, so definitely my hair, it feels a lot more fuller. I have to still style it, of course, and I could do a little bit more blending together, but ultimately the idea is to have the hair complement my face. So my hair, it's very subtle, but it looks a lot more fuller. It looks like it's shaping my face better like a glove, and it's worked out so the layers are perfect. It's very, again, natural, subtle. So now whether I style it or not, so this is not even styled, so when I know that when I do style it, that it is going to definitely be more, yeah, complementary to the face. I'm actually really happy with my results considering this is the first time, and I definitely now feel confident like I could just probably do my own hair in the future. And it cost me $0 and literally my son's old school supplies. Now I do not recommend you doing this. What is his name, babe?
Brad Mundo.
And Brad Mundo, I mean, if you ever come across this video, please, 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 I don't care if you're critiquing it, because I'm sure you have a lot to say about what I just did, but that would be the biggest compliment for me. So, hey dolls, well, thank you so much for hanging out with me. So, you know, that's what happens when it's a rainy day, you know, you just play at home, you know, like me, cut my hair. So, love it. And I will see you dolls at the next video. Bye, dolls.